Hello, welcome to Rosie Tasty Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my tomato and red bell pepper paste. These are the ingredients I'm using today: tomato, red onions, pepper, the red bell pepper, and I'm going to prepare all of these ingredients down before I blend them. I will wash my tomato and I will cut them. I will cut the onions and I'm blending them as I prepare them. I will do this with all of this, all the pepper, the onions and the tomato. Blend all of them in one pot. That is done. That is my pot of tomato. After that, I'm going to now fry it. But before I fry it, I will show you. You will see that I have turned the tomato in a filter where you filter some of the water. So when the tomato is boiled, I will now filter a look at it. Yeah, then I will fry this tomato with my onions and other ingredients. You can choose to just keep your paste without frying or fry just without putting any other ingredients. It's totally up to you. I will allow the tomato to cook after I've added all my ingredients for a short time. That is blended ginger and paprika. That is it. I'm going to cover it and let it boil for a while. And here comes the tomato paste. This I normally put it as live for 14 days live. You can put more than that. If you want to keep it for a long time, I recommend you put it in a plastic and put it in your freezer. I don't use it in freezer. I leave it in my fridge. At least I can use it for 2 weeks. And I've added oil on top of it. So this can stay for up to 14 days. Thank you for watching. God bless you.